Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. Today we're going to show you how you can resize and optimize the product images from Woocommerce. So let's get started. So first of all, we will go on our website. After going on our website, we will open our shop, and this you can see here are all my listings. These are called thumbnail images, and if we open a listing like this, quick view, this is called the main image. So these are the two images which we can modify here, and if we go on customize, we can also do that. So we will go on here on appearance and click the customize here. We can also do this from here. So we will go here and we will go on the WooCommerce settings, and from here we will select the product images. Here you can see the main image and the thumbnail image. Here, this is our main image, and okay, so main image width is 600 and thumbnail is 300. So you can modify it and resize it whatever you want. I'm not doing anything right now to my website, and I'm just clicking the publish button. Okay, so we can also like optimize the images by a plugin called Smush. So this is the plugin. I will simply copy paste its title in the plugin section. We will click the add new here, and once it is here we will just paste it here, and this plugin will appear up, and we will click the install button, and we will click the activate button. After installing it, it will simply redirect us to this page. Okay, so from here we will just, this one is, we will click the settings. It is just giving us the begin setup. I will skip this for now. If you are a beginner, you can have a look on these also. So it is checking and my images of my website, so it is giving me this data right now. So we can do some basic settings here, like how much compression we want in our images, how much images we want to customize, what sizes we want, and what are the standard sizes. And this one is super smush tool. This can compact the images to 2x, and this is the resize original image disable. You can explore all these options and click the save changes once you are done. So your website images all will be updated in bulk quantity at once. So this was the video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.